it's customary for many companies to provide bonuses to employees around the holidays. Usually we use that time to recognize employees for their accomplishments, the company's accomplishments. A lot of times if they'll be given at the beginning of the year certain metrics that they have to meet, and if they meet out those metrics, they're going to be paid out those bonuses at the end of the year. So I just wanted to give you some tips to remember when issuing those holiday bonuses. Those holiday bonuses are definitely subject to taxes. I know many employers don't often get this right, but they want to pay the most they can pay to the employee. So we want to make sure that we're taking bonuses out of those taxes out of those holiday bonuses. Employers can categorize the bonus as a holiday bonus, but they should stay away from labeling it a Christmas bonus. And that's for all the reasons we talked about before. We want to make sure that we're staying away from labeling it certain religions. If we're paying it around certain holidays, let's just keep it entitled a holiday bonus and not any specific religion. A discretionary bonus is one in which the amount, eligibility, and timing of payment are left entirely up to the employer. It does not get applied toward the employee's regular rate of pay or get applied toward the calculation of overtime. Now, the difference between that and the discretionary bonus is that with non-discretionary bonus, they usually there's eligibility requirements associated with it. Usually has eligibility requirements associated with it and should be set forth in a written policy. So that's, when you're going to have those metric goals, those things that you have to meet in order to earn that goal. So non-discretionary bonuses must be included in the non-exempt employee's regular rate of pay and will impact overtime earned during the eligibility period for the bonus. So basically what happens is most holiday bonuses are considered a discretionary bonus. But unfortunately what happens is most employers treat them as non-discretionary bonuses, and they don't subject them to the regular rate of pay. That's something that's a little more complicated, and I don't know if we want to necessarily go into it for this webinar, but basically if you're going to give a holiday bonus that extends over the whole year, basically your performance over the whole year, and you're a non-exempt employee, you're going to have to actually go back and add that holiday bonus in the total compensation that person's earned over the whole year. And so if they've worked overtime, it increases the overtime rate that they've earned on each overtime hour that they've worked.